Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Power BI to prevent accidental displacement. This is incredibly useful when you're working with complex dashboards and reports where elements need to stay exactly where you've placed them, ensuring your design remains intact and professional. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you've launched the application and you're in your workspace with your report or dashboard visible, you're ready to move on to the next step. Make sure you have the report page open where you want to lock the objects, as this will make it easier to see exactly what you're securing. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu ribbon. Among the various tabs available, click on View. This tab contains all the options related to how you see and interact with your report canvas, including grid lines, snap to grid, and other layout features that help you design more precisely. Once you're in the View tab, look for the section labeled Page Options. This is where Power BI groups together settings that affect the behavior of objects on your current page. Within this section, you'll find an option called Lock Objects. This feature is specifically designed to prevent any accidental movement or resizing of visual elements on your report page, which can be a lifesaver when you're presenting or sharing your work with others. To activate this protection, simply check the checkbox next to Lock Objects. As soon as you do this, all the objects on your current page, including charts, text boxes, images, and other visual elements, will be locked in place. This means you won't be able to accidentally drag them around or resize them while you're clicking through your report or making other edits. It's a simple toggle, but it provides significant peace of mind, especially when working on finalized reports. And that's it. You've successfully locked all objects on your Power BI page, preventing any unwanted displacement. This simple setting ensures that your carefully crafted layouts stay exactly as you designed them, no matter how much you interact with the report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.